So today I'm going to show you how to reverse an image in your footage. As you can see here, my logos are backwards. This happens when you film with the selfie camera on your iPhone or any other phone, and I'm going to show you how you can reverse that footage today. Okay, so you want to go down into your effects. You want to go to video effects, and then you want to go to transform, and you want to just drag this horizontal flip onto the footage that you want to reverse, and bada bing. As you can see, now the logos are on the correct side and everything looks good. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Now, I struggled with this when I first started. All my logos and everything in my first couple videos were all backwards because I didn't know how to fix it. So I thought this quick tip might help a lot of new YouTubers out there to fix their footage. Hopefully you found this helpful. If so, do me a favor, please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. You can also follow me on Twitter or Instagram. I'd really appreciate it. See you next time.
Hello fellow YouTubers. If you like what you've seen on my channel, please subscribe here. It goes a long way towards helping new viewers find my channel. Also, if you want to watch the last video I created, you can get that right here. And please leave me a comment. I love to interact with my viewers. Let me know how I'm doing.